Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install an advanced inventory script by Quasar store into our FiveM server. This is one of the best inventory script out there for all the frameworks, as it contains lots of features like a built-in pause menu, a dedicated clothing section, a skill tree system, and much more. Everything comes with a single script. I'll guide you step by step through the installation process and give you a full showcase of the script in action. If you're aiming to bring next level realism and depth in your FiveM server, this script is must have. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which I'm going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. By clicking over here, you can see the preview of the script. Over here, you can see the preview images of the features of the script, as you can see over here. By clicking over here, you can purchase the script. Use code Zexus to get 10% discount in your every purchase. After purchasing it, you will receive the script in the granted access section of your key master. You just need to click on this download button to download the resource. After downloading it, you just need to extract the file. Now open the file, then copy this file from here and paste it into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be pasting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file, open the SQL folder. If you're using QBCore framework, you just need to double click over here. Then open your head SQL. Now select your server over here, then click on run. Now open your QS advanced shop folder, go to shared, then config.lua. From here you can configure your shop system. From here you can create your custom shop, or if you want to add or remove any item from the shop, you can do it from here. And from here you can configure the locations for your shop, so I'll be keeping them default for now. Over here you will get the configuration for your job store, like your armory, you can configure them from here. So that's it for the shop's config part. Now open the QS inventory folder, go to config, then config.lua. From here we can configure our whole inventory script. Over here, if you want to use your target system, then change the false into true. So I'll be changing the false into true over here. And over here, if you want the transparent background, then change the false into true. So I'll be keeping it default for now. And in the server's name, I'll be changing the Quasar to Zexus development. And the default keybind to throw the item is E. You can configure it as you want. And rest of the things you can configure it from here. You can configure the inventory slots and the inventory weight from here. From here you can configure the items which is given in this configuration. For example, there should be one backpack which is allowed in the inventory, not more than that. From here we can configure the items which cannot be stolen from other players. And from here we can configure the items which cannot be stored in the stash. So I'll be keeping it default for now. And this is the section of clothing slots, as you can see over here. From here we can configure the quest, or we can see the missions over here. The name of the quest, the title of the quest, and the description of the quest, you can configure them from here. From here you can configure the reward XP, the required level to perform this quest, and the reward item, you can configure them from here. So I'll be keeping them default for now. And this is the configuration of the pause menu over here. In the Discord link section, you can provide your server's Discord link over here. And in the YouTube link section, you can provide your server's YouTube link over here. So in the YouTube section, I'll be providing my YouTube channel's link over here. Over here, you can configure the announcement section. So I'll be keeping it default for now. Over here, you can configure the skill tree section. So I'll be keeping them default for now. So that's it for the config part. You can also check out rest of the configuration and configure them according to your use. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Now we have to do one more thing. Visit the Quasar source documentation. I'll put the link in the description below. Come to the advanced inventory section, go to installation, then scroll down over here. Make sure to download the dependency as well. So let's download this script from here and install into our FiveM resource folder, just like this. Now scroll down over here. Now we have to do some changes in our items.lua. For that, click over here. Then copy these line of codes from here. Then go to QBCore, shared, items.lua. Now select everything with Ctrl A. Then paste the copied line of code over here, just like this. Now scroll down over here. Now here we have to add clothes as an item. For that, click over here and copy this line of code from here. Then paste it over here, just like this. Now before starting the server, make sure to delete the old QB inventory and the QB shops folder from here, just like this. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's open the inventory. So as you can see the interface of our inventory, which is over here. If you want the transparent background, you just need to change the false to true over here. So I'll be changing the false into true. Just like this. Now let's restart the server. Okay, now let's open the inventory. So as you can see the interface of our inventory, which is over here. So let's spawn some items over here. So as you can see the items over here, which are set according to the rarity. As you can see, this is the common item, this is the epic item, and these are the legendary items you can see over here. So this is a quick slot which is over here, as you can see, and this is our main inventory, and this is the wallet over here, as you can see. So when you right click on any item, you will see three options over here. One is for use, another one is for give, and the third option is for throw. So let's use the item. So as we can see, now when we use throw, we can throw the item by pressing E. As you can see the realistic prop model over here, as you can see. Now to pick up the item, you just need to press E. Now when you right click on any weapon, here you will see an option of attachments. You just need to click over here. So from here you can add any attachments to your weapon, as you can see. So right now I don't have any attachments with me. So let's find the items. So I got some attachments over here. Now let's attach into our weapon. So as you can see, these are the items which I got. So in the suppressor section, let's add this suppressor over here. As you can see, for the clip, I'll be adding this one. You can see the weapon is changing now. For the flash, let's add this one. And for the tint, I'll be adding this one. So as you can see, our weapon is ready now. So as you can see, the flashlight is attached over here. So our weapon is ready now, as you can see over here. Now let's take out this weapon. So as you can see, our carbine rifle is fully ready now, as you can see, with all the attachments over here, as you can see. So now let's check out other options. When you press escape, you will get a pause menu over here. Over here, this is the name of our server, and this is the information of our player, as you can see over here. The job, the playtime, how much money we have in our bank and in our cash. You can see every details over here. Over here you can see the direct clickable button for our Discord server and for our YouTube channel, as you can see. So over here you can see all the announcement of our server, as you can see, and you can see the time and date over here, as you can see. And from here you can see how many players in our server right now. And to open the map, you just need to click over here. So our map is open now, as you can see. Now to open the setting, you just need to click over here. By clicking over here, you will get the clothing menu, as you can see. So if you remove any item, you will see changes over here. So let's try one. As you can see, we just removed all our clothes over here, as you can see. So let's put them back. And over here we will get the skill tree option, as you can see. You can see each and every details of the skill bar, as you can see. Now let's check out the mission option. By clicking over here, you will get all the quests which are available over here. So we just completed this one, so let's claim the reward. So here we got some skill points over here, so let's purchase some skills. So as you can see the animation of the skill bar. So now let's check out the setting option. Here we can change the color of our inventory, as you can see. So let's change the primary color. So I'll be changing it to this one. So as you can see, our inventory color is changed now over here. Just like this, you can customize your inventory as well. And also when you put any items in the ground, so let's put this item in the ground. You can see the exact prop of the item in the ground, as you can see. So now let's throw this weapon. So as you can see, we just throw the prop over here of the weapon. So now let's take this weapon back by pressing E. As you can see, we got our weapon back. So now let's check out the shop. You just need to use your target eye over here, then open the market. So as you can see, these are the items in our shop, and these are the categories of the item, as you can see. Right on. So let's purchase some sandwich. After selecting the item, you just need to pay the price. As you can see, we got the items over here, as you can see. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.